Hey guys, this is Trish, and I'm really excited to talk to you today about Limitless, the energy product that is gaining a lot of attention right now. As a nutritionist, I love the ingredients in Limitless. I love the green tea extract and the apple polyphenols that give you that natural energy boost. They are going to get your body moving. Now, there's also GABA, there is Panax ginseng, and Gacha Cola, which are going to help with focus, going to help with mental acuity, alertness, memory, all things that we want, that we need help with, all those roles that we have in our lives. One cool thing about Limitless is it comes in this little tiny package. You can take this package anywhere with you. Limitless doesn't have any artificial flavors, colorings, or sweeteners. It's all natural. Now, Limitless is just as effective as all of those other energy drinks that you're gonna see when you walk into the store. Look in your area for a 2020 meeting that is happening. I want you to get to that meeting. I want you to learn about 2020, how you can make money, how you can learn about Limitless, and then hold a 2020 meeting of your own. If you want to learn about the 2020 meetings and more about Limitless, contact the person who sent this video to you and get to a meeting soon.